Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is Rob from Make Money Audit. We're doing another audit today on the Ecom King. So the video we're auditing today is how I find winning products daily dropshipping products research using Claude AI free method. Yeah. All right. So the math on this one killed the grade before I got 3 minutes in. Right? The 1K a day is his own screen showing 20% profit. So yeah, this one is just another one of his fantasy videos where you guys, all 617,000 of you morons, follow his method, and we'll play a little bit before we get going.
So, you can't sleep because you're too busy thinking about finding your first winning dropshipping product. That's perfect. I'm actually going to show you live step by step how I'm about to find my next winning product that I'm going to take from 0 to 100,000.
Okay, if you watch this video further, you'll find out what actually kills it, but I'll tell you this in the audit. So, the Ecom King says Claude AI finds him $1,000 a day dropshipping products. Gets a grade D. Okay, here's the kill number 20%. That's the profit margin on his own dashboard. Okay, so his 1K a day is actually $260 a day before your time, your ad testing, your budget, you're losing products. There's just so many things wrong with this whole video that I could spend hours on it, but I'm not going to sit here and bore you guys with that much. So okay. So we've already ran a little bit. So this is what gets me. So here's the kill. The 1K a day, like we talked earlier, at the 1 minute mark, he shows you proof. A Shopify dashboard doing 1,300 a month. At 1.3. Third guy, I can't even talk. $1,300 a day, and then says out of his own mouth, it's also 20% profit. Run that $1,300 times 20% is $260 a day, not 1,000. Okay, the 1,000 is revenue, and that's his store. A guy with years of experience, a team, an existing ad account. That's the ceiling he shows you, and it's quarter of what the title implies. So he's got proven track record. Things are going to flow a lot easier for him. But his methodology, although it be right, is what kills this whole thing is the unrealistic time frame and the unrealistic, ROI. It just doesn't work. So the second method that failed live, he runs his own skill file, Claude shortlist product. He picks his favorite, the heatless curler set. Runs his own follow-up prompts on it. In 15 minutes, his own AI comes back and says, it's an amber product and I wouldn't advertise it. So his own AI tool told him not to run it. Okay? His system rejected his own pick on camera. That's what you got to catch. Okay? He then swaps it for a pre-made example from his own spreadsheet and keeps going like nothing happened. So right off the bat, you should understand that what he's telling you, albeit some of it real, most of it's just fake. He's just a scam artist and it's fake. Okay? He then swaps it for, okay, and he admits then he even admits it might take you around 4 goes with 4 different products. What he doesn't tell you is every time you do one of those products, you're running ads. That's money out of your pocket that you're spending. Okay? The $7 million student. My student Nick took his store from 0 to 7 million. 0 evidence on screen, 1 name, 1 number, no dashboard, no timeline. The proof he does show is 30K a month store, not 7 million or whatever. 0 to 100,000 never happens. The cold open promises he will take the product from 0 to 100,000. The video ends with 3 untested ad angles, a pet hair glove, no product launch, not $1 earned. Okay? So The free cheat sheet unlocks at 500 likes. It's a method. It's the method is free. Why is the entry fee engagement? So yeah, basically, if you guys don't watch it, he's not going to give it to you. So it's not very a free product. Factual data. That's a two-time wide guess. Yeah. He dismisses the free Claude method as a guesstimate. Pretty good idea, huh? As winning hunter plus a mid-roll U.S. drop sponsor read, plus Shopify, Omacid, Airwalks, and domain affiliate links in the description. Count them. That's completely free. A video carries 7 monetized links. It's not free. This is sales funnel, and all you guys is sucker in and jump right into it. Okay? So his own numbers were the wobble. This is where things get off again. He can't keep the numbers right. The dashboard says 64 average order volume. 2 minutes later, worked example is 69 an order. Small, but the whole pitch is check the money first. Your own numbers should match. So, what else? Look at my notes here. The research and the process in the first 5 minutes is something worth doing. Okay, get that. That's legitimate. The problem is everything wrapped around it. The revenue numbers are sold as income, a live demo that failed, a free method whose real job is selling you a paid one, so there again, it gets a grade D, but you run a product your own AI told you not to sell. Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching and looking forward to the next one, guys. Talk to you later.